Amazon CEO Jeff Bezos finally overtook Microsoft co-founder Bill Gates as the world's richest person. According to Bloomberg, Bezos squeaked past Gates' $90.7 billion worth with $90.9 billion during intraday trading on the stock market the morning of July 27, 2017. The swap broke Gates' 4-year-plus streak as the world's richest, and it marks the very first time Bezos has held the top spot. Bezos gained quite a bit of ground in the first half of 2017, adding $24.5 billion to his net worth. Rounding out the top 5, according to current Bloomberg rankings, are clothing magnate Amancio Ortega, Berkshire Hathaway chairman Warren Buffett, and Facebook co-founder Mark Zuckerberg. Bezos has come a long way to snag the top spot, starting Amazon out of his garage in 1994 and building it into what it is today. He's also the founder of Blue Origin, a private spaceflight company, and the owner of The Washington Post. He should enjoy the view for as long as he can. Amazon earnings and stock prices can either keep him on top for a long time or pull him back down into the number 2 spot behind Gates. Either way, it's a big milestone for the tech titan. For more, check out CNET.com.